Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to install Alight Motion on PC. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So to download the Alight Motion on PC, I'm going to teach you that through the BlueStacks or by using BlueStacks. So to do that, download and install first BlueStacks on your PC. So you can just do that by opening any browser that you're using. So just simply type in BlueStacks and then download from the official website. So after that, complete the Google sign in to access the Play Store, or you can even do it later and look for the Alight Motion in the search bar at the top right corner. So after that, just click to install Alight Motion from the search results, and you can complete Google sign in. This is if you have skipped the step 2 and click the Alight Motion in the or on the home screen to start playing it. And so that's it for this video. Those are some steps, or those are the steps that you need to do if you want to download a Light Motion on your PC. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.